Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Diver game not launching or not opening, lagging, freezing, low FPS, showing black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first thing is to restart your PC. A simple restart can solve many errors. So simply click on the Windows icon. After that, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game. Here I'm showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Select it, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue continues again and again, then come back and check all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here, and after that here you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to perform a clean boot. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. After that, click on services and here select hide all Microsoft services. After that, click on disable all. Once you have done this, again go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. From here also you have to do the same thing, simply select the applications and click on disable all. After that, go back, click on OK, and finally launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files, wait for some time, and once done, launch the game and check. Next method is to stop overclocking CPU and GPU. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to stop it, and after that try to launch the game and check if the game is working or not. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates option over here and wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install options. So click on repair, click on yes. Now wait for some time. Once this is finished, you have to close this. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for graphic settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list over here, you have to select the game, and after selecting the game, Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users just click on Steam or simply go to the library section, select your game on the library section, right click on it, click on properties, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and then check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game on the library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from a PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall the Diver game, and then click on the play button to check if the game is launching or not or working or not.